Alrighty guys, so we're gonna do a little unboxing today. And funny, some of you guys already saw this box get opened on a different channel, so that's kind of cool. Excuse me if I sound a little weird today. I've been a little under the weather the last couple days, but we're gonna open this box. It's gonna be something for the Mustang, and some of you guys may know what it is, may not. Some of you may have seen it. So I'm kind of excited to get this thing and be able to use it. So I got a box, bag, and a bunch of stuff. So I got a bunch of stickers. Looks like solenoid for boost control. Some of this stuff I don't know exactly what's gonna be in here, but you guys will see in a bit. So I'm gonna get some of the stickers out of the way. And we got a harness. And a micro squirt. So as I said, some of you guys probably saw this opened already. This was the micro that Matt Happel from Sloppy Mechanics opened up the other day on his mail time video. So we were talking the other day and I just sent him a picture of the car and said like I was almost ready to get this thing fired up and said I was doing wiring, and he's like, hey, do you want to test the micro? So sent me the micro squirt that he just got from EFI Source. This is the one that does the idle air control and alternator control. So that should be pretty cool. Should be like a nice plug and play, get everything going. It already has the right injector plugs on it, so that's perfect. It looks like he sent a bunch of extra stuff too. A bunch of stickers, gauge. He sent one of the arcade buttons. That's pretty cool. Bunch more stickers, some bolts. And then this looks like it's for the micro. Probably to go to the computer, I would think. I don't know. Idle, flex. Okay. Yeah, so I'm excited about this because I'm going to get to, it's going to work on the car, and I'm going to get to learn like the micro squirt software and all that stuff too. I've been looking forward to trying that and learning it. So that'll be pretty exciting. And yeah, it looks like a bunch of brackets and a bunch of other stuff. So big thanks to Matt. I'm gonna try to like work on getting this installed immediately after this, and then throw some injectors in it and probably try to fire it today or tomorrow or something like that. So thanks again, Matt. And I think this will be kind of a cool thing to show like a new person never using the software, how easy it is or hard it is or whatever. And I'll talk about everything as I go through it and kind of give my real-time opinions of, I have a little bit of tuning experience with HP tuners. I've never used the Micro Squirt, Mega Squirt software at all, Tuner Studio. I've seen it a little bit with like Hunter using it and stuff, but yeah, so it should be fun. Should be fun to learn it. It should be pretty easy to hook this thing up, so I'm gonna get going.